Welcome, just 1 minute. Hello, this is social media president. You can see my program there, fighting for Central and fighting for human trafficking. Although human trafficking have been ended, but anybody that is still doing it, the gods that he serve and the land he stand on will dismantle that person in Jesus' name. Amen. So for the Central people, the meaning of Central is some of our sisters and brothers, they don't want to marry. They back or they give their life to a way of ashawo. They don't step away. And if they get husband, the husband will trick them and they will still go to the prostitution after having 2 children, 4 children. Is that a good thing? And those husbands, they are happy over it. The pussy, they said they are making love to. And Oyibo is still making love to that pussy, and the Ghana people and the Jigwawa people. Is that a good thing? Is that a good life? So that is the reason why social media presidents stood up and fight for the Nigerian people, especially African people. Central is not a good life. They have damaged a lot of women. They have damaged a lot of men. They are in the streets. Go to Napoli. You see old women. They were having restaurants before. They were having big supermarket before. But go to there now. They are patching with somebody. They have nothing. They cannot even go home. They are praying to die in abroad. Is that a good life? You guys are coming. You see somebody that help you through one way or the other to tell this woman, tell this man to stop human trafficking. And for the best of your life is to spend that money unnecessarily. You give the money to all those boys that is dirty, small boys, begging them, please, I want you to marry me. And you know he's not going to marry you. Any man that beg you, not because of your money, because of your quality, because of who you are, beg you, I want to marry you. Like the way I said before on that program that I was the one begging my wife to marry. My wife never forced herself for me to marry her. No. I was dragging, I want to marry you. That is the reason he don't know what is prostitution. That is the reason he never know how to do anything apart from me. So I have the standard that I will take good care of you for the rest of your life. So do your wife like that. Stand with your wife like that. Make sure your wife you said you love, make sure you stand for her. Stand for her. Take proper care of her. Make sure she never do any useless work. And even though she did, take her from there. Because now is your priority. Is your privilege to make sure that she will never go to red light anymore. But most of you that said, okay, I want to marry. After marrying these girls, for years they will have children. Then you still have to turn one thing or the other to force her to a prostitution's house. Are you a madman?
Hello, sir.
Please,
Hello,
sorry. Sorry, Jay. Are you a madman?
Hello, parent boy.
So, mama ya on my ya gwaloni why ya force ya okuno biene why ya force no yigbe aga ipe why ya force ya de emono we de na wala why gbina ba wodo odo awewe obuwedi wa odo awewe emi ya gwalowe odo po ni mana select odo ni wana select odo wana we odo makpo odo wa po waya ipe no time ipe no timame ya gwaloko ni ari abi e utagbona. But when I select ni, when I select to 1 wakpa o, 10 wakpa, 12 wakpa, 7 wakpa, wa agbale 5 boys. 5 boys have money in me. The way I'm my you are. Why they 5 boys in Ireland why you are? Why they be can Ireland why you are? Who do pay go one? No ma pay go one when not the way you send it. When you better go, you why 10, why 7, why 5, why 4, why you wakpa. Agbayeni en wele lo pe no we dali ogwawe na wakin ogwawe na hin e mana yen koje e mana yen rent gimawe gba are wan nagba mawa nagba biema nyeri mu na odali gbe gba ore mo do ma bie we ama gba ore ko dali gba ore ko we ya be kimu na rema igo nu be gwa lo be 200 ye woto ya make shopping kere we ya make life is winning but to the life wa ye igwa lo human trafficking stop une this time why I cook a dagbo wa mudia in a good way na me wa where I will be proud of you guys. I will be proud of you guys. Wani ko me waka. Because me hon said your way. Wani bun wa gbin aba won pe. Wani bun. O no bione. O pe ane. O bien o pe ane. We wa we. E ba de imeje. O de ba ko ni no biene de ba mo wa we no we. We no do aro to eka. We no do no do second hand. Igben we oni ma. We ge e de awuju we. Awo tun we. Awe gbenu kere to bo we gwalo de yiwe kewe o pe no ka be no ti meja we kumufu a udu a obi yi awunu wa be na wa isen egbe no ge o merege yi na ipie ikuise wa be no merege e ma do de ni yowa e de na do ga ichota ni amo o ye siga o de mo bo o ya ge we da no ka be na we boy na ye e pa boy no do tun we na nyoka bien no o ka bien e esigani wa de boy o wa de gbanga nyogwege emiteme agimadole dagbe mai gbege life stadium first father awe money ayo money de yon te bio but money yi de gadia na wadia we awo money wori azen second father nia oni wa we ki ole Morocco o wa so ole live video o we le saladian okpena okpia no wi enwina okpena amugo yo hunwo wa okwo na amugo yo hun okwo we ya pe nu we enwina we ma ya dugwe we ba se fokpa wa isekedo de we enwina we o ma da o ma yeke o ma da o e pe agbon ni okpena wa mu kan wa gbe siri me o oje gbe silo wo kan oje gbe ogbe wo wi ma we bede ogbe Dusseldorf fi marie Quigion responsible man we side o pe awe won ko won je fi obo ikineboje e wo akwe ade oni akwe ade negi mami only respect na dey no because they are our God. They are everything. They are second to God. Do a man equal wise second to God. What I am in the time why doing with just a man I told Wako. A man I told watching. Why you bought there? Open what we do, Penny Mama. Open Mama move for. Open the way go move for. Anyway, I beg eh. Anyway, I beg you. No way are the enemy. No ya one year. Why I beg a beg of money. And you know more you want to talk. Anything no really way you want to talk. E wa ri to so ya ina o dali chebe 1001 dali when ya so gbe aga we che dali re wa fo na we ba we ma bebe ne ya je na yi ma jo wa ijinyere ba otinyere ba esko ma jo wa gbe we mu epo de ma kinu hia ne buru pa mi weria u ya gbe yin wa ho mo wa ko le dali o we fu we je we fun dali ge iware ba ani we ni go koko we iwa mi 2000 we owa owe arupon ahin arupon gbon awaro na nede mase awari nede yakun mase e wo gioma mase awori gbe akin no owe yi iban ubi money ba pe ni ado ayan wewe lao yawo na re lao edi wa me gbe me lao edi awa o ma ka bo wa kege ni ade ai we ga ile we na ya ne de no we agui bi pe so tu wa bi pe no only gas no mama awe Morocco smoke bi ati wa de we so agbagwe we na shawo na if na ni bali ku oh we na shawo na eyes man if we so ti gbo ma but wo yin wo digwene o se because upe gbo e mufua e jagbon we ya tun kane upe no ma enegbe we so wa we agwa upe no ka be ne okpeno ka bi no ma ti do han yi o ma ti mu dia no han okay wo han do mu dia na akara wori ni se my sister dey obe gbo eyo okpeno ka bi no kuro han nu we ya wa do mu we enyo wa pa ni mega o me kino koko wese o me kino ri ase be gbo de no se why wa be yeke umieve ropa wagi ma change maga change adiana wari ave maga udu pa no salobo ya ge wani ko ya pe Augusta no ni wa lowe ba when I siesta when I amudia eba for 2 weeks be no ya gbesta we to buwe we agbe boy ni gbina be no ya gbesta we imai mi gbona de esta one wa gbo yo to be ni so ave ni someone wa dope ipe no se Morocco ipe no ebe ya ali mi pe no se Morocco gbe so ebo kan ko no ya ebo kan ko wa gbo tebun gba o wa pan ware we wa shock but e so ya agbo e be na lima ya agbo we na won me oyo we me ra meje we no ya gwan anu e someone wa la wa ni that day na ya pe wa o pe no we won wa o wa ha dekun anyway ga zigo emi ro nu wa jigo emi ro nu wa ya pe ajigo genia sister Abraham sister Emmanuel sister Jacob sister Nede nana won bon we sister sister Motinya wa ya wa yu wa pa e dia igbe wa ya fe we la betu o ze po we call boyfriend we honey nene mi yegele mu o ze po we o tie we hello ite wa dio wa ede dagbona ite wa dio wa ni wa do relax in my have na so ma ke do wi wa ni bebra o je pa we iya wa la dia na okwo we wa ro wa ado wa we ya pay yi wo wa ro ko wo ni wa je wa isen wa pay yi wa pa life ni o pe no kile love we o da dege gbegbe ta ma gbegbe isen yo wa ha yo wa ati imu wa ene o mo wa ene we oh no we dani we adio wa na gba planu mami we gen we remi we awo me ti me but we amu ha o gbe ta ma o pe ni ki ha igwo pili no pe no wa nyo de we ma we ti ta ma nyo so bo no mi ta mu we dali na pa ye kinawe urgeni ba ke we ni ati virus na coronavirus ayese kene wa ya pe jina ayi mi anu ha no ya ro wa dandu ga o because ona pa na de popa no papa na o man no mu virus ni de wo gba ya wa mu oto gwa ga family ekino na de we la o wo pa ri we ejire because no pa ri po boyfriend de ya o ma de boyfriend de virus no pare po de boyfriend de e den why do why ha wa do mu negbe or why sen ro wa do mu negbe e boyfriend ma ti sin why yugure o ma ti ni why yugure no we ajogun ye na gbadu aro na la wo iye do ni mo se ma gbera po na ne ma gbera oja na ne ma gbera ligi na ne chetro mo stop o ma no wunya audio ma you said it audio ma la gogo aji jere aji ware aji no pare but we can do life way in a good way on one ma oji jere on one fe oji jere on one mo go oji jere but why you with your we ka wa joke re e da gbo wa kwanu pe again why ya e go to gbera ne benu ya e de ya gbere ya human guess yeah we udeni bubai waye o eni we ekiari unu de ni yen gbe o si fo gele su me o gele la lo me oni we wa o we ri agbon we kan aje wa we every year is changes because again mana hena lakpo na 2020 na baba o salobua mudiame to sume ukpona is my year I will make it this year I will stand for God this year ukpona ogo me nenemi my lakpo ni a virus no kwa ore o ware e no gbele vitali avie e ma no gbele vitali eye ya no ga tie ukpona ogo me eso la din agieso wane so bo no jaki ma bai ni Jesus Christ no nyama so why am I no so no akwe dan do we gbogbo do le life we we do the life we ya man no sunu di ba na egbuwe te gbewemu te gbewemu mu dia na egbuene before ke adego ma be ona imi wa ya fa ni Jesus Christ she true must stop the neata we she true must stop wa me human trafficking ijobe she true be no e madan asoma e pe asoma ave mana e ku na ya gele mu ha we just ara na do mu jian ye kan na do mu yan ye kan no poku gban do sekeni aje na boni do sekeni aje ibe na fanu wakwa yan fanu wakwa o ana nyewe ni ana agugwa wana mase a abia isuwa na gwatu bugwage de ni na sugwa when so one we gwadu degi ke why so bo ado miewe e madam e no na agwe madam bugwe na ko mase why wa sugwa na we wa ya bugwe ku kin awo yi agboni ye hin oni emieteme na ma o wie ana do miewe agbon na do squeeze ado tawe wa ge ni mana painful mi dana so no dame ni mana ase madam mi da madam sugwa ane do we exist that gbogbo we ya mu de na no pe control to pe no tawe me be how are you you not sick on today I be want see you where I know get one this thing one here we I be one buy the same as 600 we are giving no have phone now where okay I'll call you tomorrow or have phone on your share true when and then we I don't buy the hair and me I come our hair come now because our who done why maybe you go kede ayara we on one winner or I on me 200 we me so you got ekpo nu we mu of your boyo wa bi o ya fi boyo no make na be ni ya ko go we because ya igo manaro excuse ori enu ewe say o ze wa ye wa pagbe o wa mu wi ko bo je ba fi e wa o boya de titigo o wa mu lo te fafa wo nye ga nye gbe be na o wa nu ototo Koni sake ya la leya la lo ne we nya agegwe ahen pa wa no get anything o we do kweta ma we no get money we ya abe kon wa tell so that wa da we wa fi boy we po o wa zola dia we no I want go give person okay no mwene I want you go give ye mama gberi we la wa ori no take up no gbe ya we o ya we no we where the tower okay how much not just carry leave €100 from you in we work 2,000 we not leave 100 agbon we jeni dey 500 no we not leave €50 agbon we jeni agbon we jigo no ma ho ba me kia e kia no we Nigeria say o anata ba we ari ewebo ya gbogbo akodo de we ise diania na me we e o wa we gigbere ope a we gigbere ope no kin obo owo yo kana kin obo mi e chema oh your boy can actually bomb your governor no kin wo bo oh we gige who get in it's late ni be kam ye school usaloba na gere ru wa video that don't get change if bear is ready to destroy a woman some women they are ready to destroy men ma o e lo no se wa we lare yen wu ka bi ne yen we ja o pe ni do avio wa dispo yen wa wo e agbon na wa se ma mi kele ko na ko ma yi bai e boss asike ya no biere o gwa wa tele mu de hey o ya hia we say we wa de we ha wa boss na ma ke na o ke no ma o ki butter we slippers no gba o we ade we but ahi we are so o change sign o ko dot hello magi you la jende wa kai o wana yi gwa wa gogbe ati police no eje o ba mi pe wa se epo kan gbe se epo weregbe o frustrate you because mama egbon we mu dia o ayo mu agbon we mu dia yi to bo ni ave atulelu wewe uri ra ene no gwalo o ma we mi ni ma we agabagobe yi to bo ni ave atu we dali you are too much dali ma mi gbo anre o ege ni je na ko ya ta ege ni we uma motobona ta uma o se menu mudani ona wo pe na wo dano but motobona ta wo pe na organo wo ye na ne to mame agbon me mame o toga mame me ne bi o o gen do aso wo wa I wish you a good luck. I wish you a better life. I wish you a standard thing that everybody we believe in you in Jesus' name. We change your mind, we change your mind, no boom, we change your mind, no. Now where I change your way by my you. We change your way, need Jesus. He said, Central more stop. Central more stop. Why am I pitching our beauty? We have my brother.
Oh, for a great.
What?
Even as my brother.
Where's he?
I don't want to take
He said,
he make him no more dinner than
where's
you are fair cool in the way down there. If you have a fair no, if you are all looking, I got him up here with my brother.
where's he?
Maguero.
Where's he?
If Holland the cake called, you know.
Where's he?
That young one.
Yes.
To watch you where you were. Really.
Where's he?
So, nobody about it. You know, continue.
He said,
because we might be carrying on a very granite, be carrying 20 or what I'm when my OGS do both of where we go, then Macata.
where's he?
If you be a car, yeah, you go on.
Where's he? Sabo Adeba.
Me, I will say, Osanobo Adeba, where they worry, are they in any other Stavian Kenya? You got the paying up and our hey, is the Indian, my brother, with Mira Pulling.
Where's he?
Say, oh, you will making a laka.
Okay.
Okay, no better. We are 3 hours, 1 hour, and we're yet. We should go a market.
Where's he?
Like,
okay, we are me we know. Opa magbawe again. He forgive me ya fe no do salobo no jive. He have forgive money. Eliome he forgive any. No that way e make it like bedie. O salobo no give my ya fe to. Me have give ni awe kian, ye give me awe kian. O no ma e my ya fe hin. Be ni Jesus Christ no nyawa.
No matter. Salobo Adeba. So when we na e get mafia we okay no we iviedo. No en degbe yan total yo wa yan zewe. Yan you for your wiki. They don't buy or they don't buy any pataki. Let me win a pataki, this will tell them no. When my bono watch you a bet with my yan, if you do this sick business, now may beg about the boy we bona. Yes, I go to tell you where your garden yet to tell you when I will follow. Yan is the way. Yes, yan is that way. Then that way I will make big can have Upale ni ya retese he beni ya duave ki ekige no ma ba he beni ya honi a finu ge o teduni beni ya honi ya finu ge gwa o tie ya retese ya do yo unu ya du to ya we wa ba aroba o we no go ba we hian o you ya du to when only if you contribute to your my brother. Where get the money? However it may be, we already have here. We do total Ghana, total. There are lots of millions of people that are contributing on your behalf, of which you didn't know about it.
Yes.
And that's why I was surprised. I don't know well that were Mr. Social Media President. I hold the Ulagavi, Vina, Motedo, Vani. Very Suruya over, no pay, Miss Suruya, Usiruya, Honedu, they don't pay. Ali, what do you weigh a kitchen, Vani? Ale, Ebo Street, Vani, Vie, a Hanika. Here, you have to say. Now, all you may have a second, you are the book. Yeah, you done it. Yeah. Very addictive, but what we will do, man. He okay, may have a second book when I have to lower doniji.
That is true.
Any government is not really like doing. I'll make sure where are you born your yiki, are you born, are you team by team. No, I will when I do it, my year set up where I support anybody. Now, we all some oh, yeah, it's a no, oh, yeah, so far, oh, do me, do you may have a perfect. Or marking the division no at all.
Where's he?
Oh, with my brother.
Where's he?
You bomb was in the
sir.
Well, always to what always say. Always say. No matter what always say. As I always so always say. No matter. Really, as any man. If we not living on it, Kema no be moving my FFN no man. We are over here. None of it we have fair. Enyamento tukia wewe na mayamu maiwa women awa so no my brother Salobo Deba continue my brother ega fe mafia we there are a lot of people no oro yeki
awa afi mafia ba so
ale general lago etimene gege ni okay ale Victor lago ale general ale na do asunu yiri manopun lele we enakele we ma ye fefe ko we agbunu yota ofu egbe oyo mama nda we am
ye do ya fe we princess by birth or we birthday there na wa mi we topic ni o ke kini katemu la ho oni ijo ware do reality talk show or we birthday there na mayachi miamia na mewe princess one by birth where princess by birth where or we birthday man if you do reality mama appreciate ima must to see one ima must to kune ima must to gbene ima must to sugiawane or see in a live video because star ya miamia iyo wame ya miamia if you do reality you must to gbene to tell the world where yes I still appreciate me ya no we do reality basokpa ke ya fear do for me wa ya fe no re ma wala wa gbe ya isi one ne wa gbe gba happy birthday wa gbe ya gbe den ade ko ya wa egui even ke mi ni wa ya bo me board e ma dan oni amu me ni dia wa gbe amu bo gbin ya iga toge wa tie me dan no me no ba me tie me we epa la o awu water me na igele tama we game no say any na time e no say now it time che bone ma so nu dewe ni ya la video me won me emi awon oja we lare e comment ni agben o mari ni me but o pe party me de no we ni la wo baba ni la video me na is the best be ni ya gwe iwe do ya ko egun we ni ya ri bodenia but o pa no ni ge la ni ge ka wu ni ge che boni jiyan but o ma do gbe mi e bogun enu dawe o ma no gbe mi bogun na ma wo na ga age mate ona che bo mi o ma but my age mate o yo ka kere no e we me se no bien o me de na bien o do ni do control ni do ati e bonne won o ni e che bona e gbo ka so ni me na we video e ye boni de gera bi je no make na e no balo e da we beni me dien edi je be dien me ye tita ma wi jo to wan ma gbo won le ba we ge ni mana de bie overo ma wi je ti ya otu so no because I want to be with the age of I mean want to be the age of 15 years I mean want to be the age of 20 years me mama be video me say 30 something abi 38 ne abi 30 something me kedo ka we yes me abi o say 14 say me kedo sa we abi be le 30 something so nu ya hen we oye omomo na la wo ti e bo me imam ni we am ni we ti me no me we no yo kan me free be ukeke o na na mu ege ogwa mu e omu obo mu we me to me na adi na do ran gwa ni no mu we na do ran na we e o mo na wase a wa ge we mi agbon we slave no tiji na ge pa slave re e ba ni we mari yen we o gbe na do gbin na ni me abi ku oni no do ati ebo iku so no ki ma no do agun egun no do ati ebo mi agun ti ebo no da we iran wa wi fi iran wo ni ati ri ruwa ugbo wa no e ti be tam wa no wa mu go me wa do ri go me de se ni unu wa e o wa wo enu buwa wa do le life wa yi wa tin buwa mu wa forget it ya no wo bi nu wa mu kia eso wo e wa ya da bi eso ikoso wa ye negbe ona imi wa be ni Jesu Kristo no nyawa he said hello Hello? So, amen. Nowhere or you? At hello? Hello? So, you might central more stop. Okay, me I'll block you. Here thing block you well. Ya keep no na we no ya keep. When you block here thing block here even at time. Man social media president only man we fight for human trafficking. Also Central must stop. You are a great man all over the world. In Nigeria, many people recognize you for the good job you are doing. May God bless you and your family. So shall it be in Jesus' name. We are looking forward to Owabu. Owabu Enogbe. We are looking forward to see you in Nigeria. Make a very you carry why worry. Yari here when we announce. Come here, why I feel I'm there. Hello.
Hello, Pa.
Eh? Yeah, Amo.
If I have been out of the talk, if I have beg, that's a teacher beg.
Amo, wait, Amo. I will delete your picture one. Then, person will bring your picture. Then they cry and say, "Pa, say you want release their number." Say if they release their number, they know they come and send me information. Okay, if they're not going to call me send me information, why when I call they talk about? Why not they bring wrong information they come?
Because if I know where they talk,
why not they bring wrong information?
They carry their picture come out. They carry their ex-boyfriend picture come out. The ex-boyfriend
I don't know bring her come out. I don't know her. Now the senior brother of Eddie, now the judge tell the truth. All those girls we bring is almost 7 girls. You understand?
Okay.
So now they still bring Eddie picture come out. Because you don't say me dey Facebook just now. When I come enter the message, many girls, about 7 different girls they inside there. And I don't know the reason why I just bring her. Then when it come be like say you don't know, say yes, I did live video, it come wrong, come out. I be trying me, I call her, Eddie. So who bring your picture come out? Now your brother. Go ask your brother. All those girls make it come talk about they say they pay for Percy house. Then they do this one. They measure their name say you they pay for Percy house.
They use cream. They use cream. Now my money I think they buy my cream. I know they do control. I know Eddie when I send Eddie, Eddie know they owe me 1 cent. I don't give Eddie money. If you think they talk the rest get money, I know they carry Percy people come out there.
You first friend Eddie. You first friend Eddie. Now brother, bring your picture. Social media president. Oh, guy, I just tell you now.
So
I tell you now. Eddie, go ask your brother. I say he don't first friend you. So Eddie, you swear yesterday say you never friend anybody. You never friend anybody. You don't get girlfriend. Eddie say no get girlfriend.
That is not a beg. If that's a brief picture, you go ask her what did the person do you? You whatever you want confess address this person now. So the person will know. Because all those people they bring wrong information for.
Now because you go fuck your brother now, maybe you leave your brother. Wait, wait. Now because you go fuck your brother, maybe the way we tell you leave your brother, now make her bring your picture. So maybe you not verse for that one. Maybe you not verse. Maybe he still like you. Because he said you fine well. Me don't see your picture. You fine. I will delete them.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, my darling, God bless you. Ọ̀chẹ́dì wàá tún àyà gbéná o. Wàá gbéná maka mi. Bẹ̀mùdíà. Esther kwe amwene wala wania. Do my la wania bu bawene. Cause macho ni gwa. Me na we view agwalo. Ekwe amwene a. because we man ladian we am boni yo do we ate we mo kati e bo e ni tana gele zebawa Esther no Esther talk show u gele tawe izebawa there when I tell okay we man ate e bo we ya fe wa le so a e bi onu we gwalo e mi o wa ate e bo we ni bi ba do mi ni atana diameter no wa ge wa gon wa meter wa no ona when you say na me ka we tewe ya when you say the users here say when I join we no can of people you we lalo or after because as me ni ati ya asu loko na do gwima loko ni but we ti umemi ma ade na wari ave dio iko no buye umemi ya ye gbina ma ti umemi ma we get toni ma we wa ya wo toni ye o se no gwa na we gogo o se na ita do fie na get no de toni ben bi aje do ni ya good evening.
If I that girl will call you Rose, now big liar, biggest liar in the whole world. Okay. Rose, they use her body style exit. Eggs not the time Rose. Let Rose not the lie again. Rose now biggest liar in the whole world. It's not believe that girl. Not believe that girl. That's my biggest liar. Rose told Eggs not afraid that again. He not really ready for weight. Since last year, he did not get the option now.
Now make a picture come out, you see her now?
Well, Ogumo Kilo say. Now, let us be like Ogumo Kilo. So that was try to protect Mama.
Hey. So you not the boyfriend?
No, then I told Eddie for transition. Maybe deny and this time if you not there. Protect told Eddie 2018. Eddie talk and 2 months. Eddie no one take. You know what leave Eddie for wait. What's the weather of this that he created? If anyone to now, people judge my time.
I said, everything go come. Now, yeah, now, social media president.
See, they create. Those boys, no thing. You get the bob, you don't call me for next. You see, they beg the boy, you carry the boy off the man. To come up the boy, picture. If they don't want to say, it's not your friend, I did not friend, I'm not fucking fuck out. With condom. They say the French girl.
No, they shut your mouth. Stop.
They say the French girl is called a pa. That's them a bastard for real. Bastard. Rosen a bastard.
Wow.
My own picture of fucking papa. This night, he was there. Okay. You know that I got the Ed friend down. Ed not friend down. Now fucking fuck out. Some like thing. Ed don't want to get on any time. He's got it. If you fuck people with no one to know that was. Rosen and Lydia. Rosen, no, I'm not believe Rosen. Rosen and Lydia. I'm not before. Ogu will kill you. Rosen with the Ogu will kill you.
I don't remove the picture. So now, sorry.
Ed friend down. Ed friend. Ed is being fuck Ed.
Hello, go now.
You took cake for work for club. You go carry cake. You fuck everything. So you fuck everything. You not again. This prostitute like you.
Agba.
But I don't want to talk about it.
Now go here. Now 1 year more. Now want to hear more. Now say yes. Now 1 year more. You say social media president carry on. Social media president carry on. When I had been again. Oh well. Social media president carry on. Yeah. More news are coming. They don't start. Women don't start. They want to challenge themselves now. That is great women of the world. I love you now. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
If I not meet the courage, if I not see my picture, I see they talk about you.
Courage. I waiting cause who know courage? Waiting courage do. May not let me know. If now,
make you know, make with my picture come on for Facebook.
Okay, go come on. But this one are you? This one are you?
Yes, now maybe this one way there, now maybe this one. I will send you the picture where the person send you.
Okay, I go get you send that now. If you not come out within 10 minutes, if you not come out, now you send courage yesterday. If you not come out, come talk. What the courage they do? I go call you by myself. I go call you by myself. Oh yeah, come out now. At the wait. Hello. Everybody, I want one way. You only say koto. na ke kole program. O no kole program no ya ge o do si ekoto. Wa se ekoto meke na gun a. Ekita mama, ekita wa hima. Hello. We se ekoto. Etu agun a.
Pardon.
What?
If I see my greet, my say allow you small because of the good work going to do.
Thank you very much. Where's it? May you holler me, now you talk. You don't holler me. Hello? Hello? Oh, here go now. Now woman want to talk so somebody don't come for live video. Hello? Hello, where go now? Oh, you bring your D. Oh, why you bring your where moon? In nature disturb wa. Me I bring my picture of the like the man we no go we. I no girl. So now you dey beg Eddie. Hello? Hello?
Hello, Pam. Now me, I'm a friend. Now Shadow said, call my friend. That girl will call you so. And that girl then now Juliet. Now Jennifer, that girl is still. Now she they do pizza for Eddie. Now she would defend Eddie. All man not the friend Eddie. All man not the girl what they use Eddie say they do. That girl will call you so. Now she would they do pizza. They give Eddie. Because all man Eddie. Now
okay. Now you be this one. We just open body for that.
You say?
Now you wear this pants so. I've been another.
Show the picture. Show the picture.
May they not go block my this show because the picture where you put down, now you put. They say open, but you know put this thing. No, I'm not going to show this one. Put another picture because if I say this one you change the attract person now, you know. This is your EKB. This is your you dey laugh now. You did it. No go kill papa for you. I be papa.
Because I did sexy now. Because I'm fan now.
I be papa for you. I be old man. Old man, I don't see this guy too.
And I want to tell you, so that girl will cost so. Now she they do pizza for Eddie. All man not they date Eddie. All man not get what they use Eddie they do. Now that girl would defend Eddie because all man and Eddie now Alessandra and the same city that they did.
But he said that 2 times. Now if I can make it they go. You don't need that. The girl come they buy.
That girl now she defend Eddie. All man not they date Eddie. All man not go they get what they use Eddie they do. That girl just they like. You for ask that girl that color what it be her name. You for ask her what it be her name.
She's still there like now. She's still there like now. She want talk. She's still there like now. She want talk because make it
okay,
up.
Because
but you never forget you.
I be all my best friend. I be all my friend.
Okay.
I be her girlfriend. I Sharon the talk. Sharon the talk. I be all my friend. Yes.
Sharon, you get boyfriend?
I get boyfriend. I don't born. I don't born Ipa.
You don't born, but where your husband?
We dey together, Ipa.
Give her phone, me I get her.
He dey sleep.
Wake up.
I don't want to raise my voice. He dey sleep.
You dey sleep, okay.
I don't want to raise my voice.
Okay, no worry. Okay, no worry. You never sleep.
Because that girl just dey lie. If anybody will call you, ask her what it be her name. You dey ask their name.
Okay, no worry.
Because that girl name na Juliet, na Geneva she dey stay. Now she dey do pizza for Eddie.
Okay, hello. What oh? Yeah, fact be an
If I get now what we for your my friend you that we and we there what do we imagine. You might go back 10 years and we almost 50 years. You carry one moving from one place to another place. See girls and educate their family. It's what billion now. In a way that made you one they care one like we put one like we put out here. Okay,
what's it? Give my down here. Hello.
Hello.
Koyo. Egbeyama.
Yeah, ti go e go private ya la bugu.
Ye wata la dian yo na temi la dian mo la o.
Ya ta la dian bo yo ken mama.
Okay. Okay. Wake up. Oya gun e bon. Okay, J. Yes. Awa. Yes. Okay. Okay, when I walk in now. Okay, Jaggy, when yeah, what block you way? Yeah, what block you way? Okay, Ebony Chichi, yeah, come on, you are the night.
Come on, never no. You know, you're calling not the show. You know, one like the back. No, take care, no, take care, I go. But we don't want to take it enough. I'm not going to talk, yeah. I'm not going to talk. Oh, Baba. What's the woman not warning? The only was your own and the cat bear. He ain't want it in another way. He ain't want to live with friends. He ain't want to live with friends because I have to back.
Yes, what I'm going on your door. Vossunu, where what we might go, Vossunu, Tamima.
Okay, that's what anytime, Baba, Vossunu, and that's also Jenna. Open up your leon, and you want to know. I mean, anyone.
Okay.
I mean, anyone you know. The Tomare now. The Tomare. In my head, when in Tana. Then you don't take you ever because you're where they're not woman. And you have the person who not. No, make a mistake.
Okay.
Why for boy? Because this is the some boy with me like
okay.
Good day, Baba. Everything, voice record you, message you, and your barrow.
Yeah. The man to tell me, you are Yore Nagbaye wotawebo. Nagbaya. Bien yare. Ijo me no guana. Okay.
Then China, in our home, a popular ya, you get baby on you. We made a big and for another bar.
Bien.
You got never like me. Let me about. We went last week. This one. What a minute. The colonel, now go. Then you go, man. I'm going to be for oh, woman. And I'm going to talk later. You know, if you're telling me, you know, you know. I'm not saying, no, Papa. I'm going to say, you go there.
Inigo.
And you also say, my
Inigo.
Okay. Papa, when you are going there.
What was you?
Because you are calling me now feeling it come. Because maybe me have to go to shop here, you know go be back in. I'm telling you, no boy are calling me. I'm not why I'm not, Papa. I'm not him. Why me ya go me ya imo. Ulo yo ye ko ni ate tu. Then that we not talk about where then you go reba ni eni yo magba ime bi do go o se then you go ire. O ga se Papa. Ime ko le no I will ni go ro ko se ni magba ni ati bi me. And I'm like, I didn't know. You don't say, I'm not in my bank. You be actually about it. Then you go. Woman, I'm back to now. What tell you? Just come here, Papa. You don't see me. I'm not here. You may go there now or you go there. My uncle Papa, the general. Monday, or just no, you're on where? Oh, yeah, I'll check you. And I coffee, a for Baraka. And then you said, Papa, Imam went for. Then I had one. And if I was in the said, yeah, I'm mad, and I'm not in the shop. Money, I have still in the yet. What's that? Please, go and take the money. We talk later. We have to go and spend later. You're going to be accident.
Me at bay. Then I tell you no penny. What ye?
Where?
Then I tell you no queer. Henry. Be a picture of it.
Papa, come out. Come here. Baba, and I go and that is my mother said when it's there, and I go out if you were telling her and go down the one.
And you go one. Then you go one year.
Baba, if I'm a
good.
Then I want one over.
Oh, Rigo. Akbaruna Susan, the be at the way. Ijamo Rigo. Akbaruna Susan. Ah, what you your minute? Okay.
Boy back the message Gmail. When the man in your back, or tell us something so where you are going go, or where I want to know. No matter the meditation now because I didn't do that way again, you know what? Not gonna back more and then something I have more. And that's what Papa.
Voici.
I won't go.
Voici.
No, I won't. Not put it up. When they do I don't get to I'm never and now I want to
hey. Oh, Saku.
I love you.
Oh, that's Saku. Hey, I'm my lover. My lover here. He love you, your man. Oh, Saku. Oh, Saku. Oh, that's Saku. Et you know, vieux homme qui a payé ma bon. Quoi, toi? Vieux petit arrêt. Vieux petit arrêt, gars, vieux. Hello.
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 What?
Hello.
Hello. This is
social media president.
Canada base. I want to go to Canada and see this woman. This is our in-law, our beautiful, sexy woman. A woman of Tiba and caliber. Inje no gay. Inje na yegbeko. What?
Social media president.
Enutie.
Wadomo.
Yes, in Miami.
Wadomo.
Miami, see.
I mean Canada because Miami.
Oh, I say. Oh, the great Canada base. Where am I?
Yes.
Where see?
Yes.
A
woman we not slow down or explain. Okay. When I could slow down because when you I know, but the way she's coughing is like she's getting out of breath. I want to analyze it.
Okay, now
so
make it
that
understand.
Your audience, me and making out understand that even the non-speaking Benin people that are watching you.
Yes.
You understand? So we know so that no people analyze what she's bringing to you. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, because she's not watching all what she's saying. Okay, I can't even understand what she's saying.
What she said, yeah.
Okay. Now, when I call relax, I know where it's really frustrating the way she's feeling, but we're not thinking it's not by shouting that will make people to believe, because what for sure, a lot of people that shout, it comes out like they're lying. You understand it?
Yeah.
So, okay?
Okay.
So I send my greeting to your beautiful wife.
Oh, Wesley J.
Tell her I love her so much.
We love you too much. We love you so.
All right.
Wesley J.
Take care.
Wesley.
All right. One love.
One love. Yes. Hello.
Hello, I don't know.
What I want to go
Aniki.
Okwo pano do kwa nwa we I won in the 2,000 euro gain. Okay, yeah, when no do tell me one. What do tell me one? Oh, what do tell me one di? Picture video, see no sense in it. Why? Yeah, we're going to picture video. I want to go and get that big. Or our more money after your body. Penny child or aje. Why more picture video walking? One year program. Yeah, you go je one.
Okay, but everyone party of me and men nepa. Or men ni many. No. Because the man that started me for I want disgrace man. Because I said no beer, who Mr. Peter, Mr. John. Understand if you warrior baking, I am here where we be and go on. Yeah, what disgrace man, understand him, understand the baby, yeah, what disgrace man at a ball. Because here, my yeah, do I go my back? People will be about the own man. Yeah, do I do whether everybody have behavior. Any my tell you, my one day. If I now be a good going out to a pile, I get you here. I said I will go around and I get you. I can go a question here. And I'm over here. We are going out in the area. I don't know what I know when we walk a midnight. Who never knocked out a beer man and Nana. I second day for you, the picture of a go padamio. You know, the picture of a go, Tamia, a picture of one of those different days. I'm going to bow in that.
Yes, it is Wiana. It is Wiana.
When I come here, what am I doing? I will tell you, I blame you. When I come here,
oh, yeah, I blame you, because
I blame you. I tell you, I'm like a man, I tell you, no,
I was doing yeah, where many where's our boy? But me, I'm about being a way. Oh, no.
When I took out the big idea, who see I baby at the boy, yet for no idea what. I mean, the Bema hole. If I want to talk about the bow, take it more. What's that? I would leave what the reader that way. I said, I you okay, your way or woman, I feel weird. Okay, sir.
Emo wagbon ya uche bona no divi me se ni boy monoro but when mo e picture na wa ju hu kyo yi ologo ma la we gbe hello yan go me
now I'm on the talk.
I know omo He say waiting
if I you know what make me it's something say I need friend that they do friend me. Say if I say everybody out there didn't know each other. I think we take friend I think they live 2018 October, me and my ex-boyfriend can't get issue. As we get issue, one day I call this action with my girlfriend. We can't go Palma we go that day. And they call it sanctuary. I said, the entire sanctuary, and they can't agree for us. He can't say he don't know anybody for this city. Say the new transfer account for Swiss. Just the transfer account for say he get grant way for the when one for call the for Alexander and they will give us 12 contain. There many for his section that they reach like 4 boys and we could be 3 guests. He can't tell us say give us set of guests where we say he fair pass.
Just wait. Just wait. Eddie, I go post your picture again. I go post your picture. Eddie, I swear I go post your picture. Go defend yourself now. Open the now.
He say all those who just dey form. Now I saw some girls on the phone waiting they not reach. You understand? Everybody, all of us will be human. You feel flow with them. Days ago, when we go that for train, got lost that we fit give her, we fit give her our number. We call exchange number. Even the other one when they call stand, they all people they me and that one fit dey talk, but me and that one okay. We call us this day gather they talk. The other they can't call me. He can't tell me say just like me, say I fell, all those kind of things. Say what you just like on my body and my tattoo. Hello.
With the year.
Hello, pa.
Wait.
Okay.
I beg. Wait first. Wait. I beg everybody wait there.
Okay.
All women. I beg. Man, I me swear for anybody we gonna take me picture. I know say they want. For her.
Okay, if I can't say no, my.
When you help me swear for her, help me swear first. Now you get like.
Why this thing was they carry innocent people picture.
No, not be so. No. Hey, this woman they listen. Anybody we can snap me picture so because somebody they scan me picture. I know say want to load. Anybody with the snap me picture. Make Ogun killer, make Toto killer. They help me swear for them.
Yeah, anybody who want to snap me picture, make Ogun killer.
Amen.
Make Toto killer.
Amen.
So
Yeah,
if I say my tattoo when they my body, now just like that tattoo that my ex-boyfriend made. Now right. Say, okay, no problem. One day they communicate them. Me, I think calling me, they talk. One day, I think tell me say they come back for Swiss. I don't have to go wait for a people train station that night. Me, I think gotta go die in house. Where they say they need give a this so. Me, I can't go sweep and come out that night. We go sweep and we come up and. As we walk and come back, me, I think tell me say me have a cookie domi that night. As I want to do cookie domi, I come say bring the domi, because bring and for the way I say I not there. And the way grandmother say grandmother not there. Now I come say okay, no problem. Everywhere. When they come back, the next morning I can't go church. After they come back for church, I can't branch supermarket. I can't beg. After that for water. I think I'll come here. I don't know if I go for water. I just tired. He go tell me say, yeah, you want to do that? I don't want maybe by tomorrow, next tomorrow, I will try my possible best man to buy another one. He go tell me say, okay, no problem. I come say I go farm today. I want to do my hair. He go tell me say, okay, no problem. I said this actually go palm. As he go come say, Rosafa, where you dey? I don't say this actually. As he go tell me say, let me come back. Say those black pocket for me. You dey hear me, pa? Me na one guy, I dey simple, but I no dey take any rubbish for anybody. He go call me, say let me come back, say he better fuck it for me. For chest, say na there they have let me dey go. Now I say, see my hair, na hair I wan go do for farmer. So na farmer say, you no buy me for? He say no. This exception, he said that wetin dey charge note 10, I go scatter all of it. After scatter am, now I waka leave am, I come go out that night. The next day, Ediko dey call my dear friends, say he no know say me be like that, say your beauty say me na nice person. Say see wetin me your do am. See wetin me do, all those my girlfriend tell me say Rodrigo not fuck the charger. Me whether he really bad the phone, you know, the person is bad before. He want something surprise you. All those kind of stuff. Now I say he call me, I want go do my hair. Say let me come. Woman for house. I come dey knock the door. I knock the door that night. I shake the door. I almost break the door. Even when people want to say they dey upstairs when they get a baby palazzo, before they come out, now this thing don't come outside. And they come they run, they go for street. And they come they run, they go me call they pursue one. I call they pursue. And they come they shout, they call if you say you know nothing. I call this girl yo. Say this girl na your mad do mad those kind of stuff. And they come they talk like that. So inside the night of prophet, after that, there are people they call a D again. After 2 months, they call Melano. That time, me don't refer this boy with Torino when they say I can't go at all. If I did they call Melano, so they not say love you. You know. Now just my nature. Now Isha boys now they date. Now I say me you go fit date again. And this say no, he don't bear me plasma. Now I feel bear me plasma. I get 43 inches for house. And this is bear me plasma 50 inches. Now say this I'm only done. And this call me another day. He tell me say he don't bear Juma hair. He order Juma hair for me for life. Now I tell this say I don't need Juma hair. You don't tell me get different type of Juma hair. Get Juma hair. They know the shop am. I don't need that. Eddie come talk to one day me and my girlfriend we dey train station. Na train station people carry me comot for ground like say I be small pikin. I no even first see am, I even first see me. Oga, I get boyfriend, but no dey disturb me. I come tell Eddie like that. Eddie come dey beg me. I come so cute. Then my girlfriend come tell me say. Jose, I'm passing my phone. I'm passing my phone. Just soft, make you reason with the boy. Maybe the boy really love you. All those kind of things. You know, say they follow you up and down. The boy they follow woman like that. So no say he love the woman. Now also okay, no problem. I come tell Eddie say okay, well, Eddie, but now you know say I get boyfriend, but not today disturb me. Oh, if I there with you, I'm. Everywhere for social media. So if I get every house, I go tell Eddie say quiet. My boyfriend they call me. Eddie go quiet. I go receive Doroko. Eddie not the fuck. What me they hate Eddie not the fuck. Now let's go to the sock.
Yeah, bring picture for Eddie now. Eddie, I want to bring your picture. Oh, Eddie, now suck. He say.
You know, I did dick like this. Whatever they come out, them never come. I will tell you about I beg, brother, put a condom. He will put condom. He will suck my photo, so my boyfriend will call me. After I say quiet, will not talk. I will pick my boyfriend call. He will tell me, say, what do your boyfriend they do for you when I know they do for you? Now come they suck my pussy. Don't know they suck my pussy. That boy know they suck my pussy. Not be say if you suck get pussy, na get will tell love you. Not be him. If I want to love way, I dey love way natural. Not be say you say me not dey help the wash floor. Me not dey help the clean house.
There's why you here. You know the hour we why you here. I mu na picture was said there. You know the phone.
Me not dey help the wash house. Me not dey help they do anything. Say if I come, we your fuck me your come on. He call the time I get then I get going to tell this rotation. So you see the help man. The help the people love you. Not say I did a break, I they come up for Eddie house. They go house. So even during Xmas, I can't tell this say I they go my girlfriend birthday for farmer. He can't tell me something no problem. And I follow say jubilant. Even sometimes they find my girlfriend they will be my witness. If they go beat me, I'll pack and go Eddie house with that too. They will go in fish roll. You even there they cook all this food. It was time to say they pay one woman, make the help for the do one. I also say, okay, no problem. I say, during Valentine period, just a Valentine, yeah, this boy, I call her, you know, pick my call, her, what do they do? Is they do the best amount the help I want, they compare, they give my girl. I didn't know before. You know Sabi do it. When they saw my pussy, then my pussy should come out. I wanted to fall in love with her. So all of the college, I call one boy. I put in a picture, say, you know this boy? He say yes. Now say, you don't say that it's all this day. He say he gets your call and just that Juliet boy call you so. He said Juliet call. For what they don't do for Eddie, say Eddie will call and tell her say they never pay their salary. He will come, he will do things that come for Genova. Okay, cook for Eddie. He will do fish roll, he will do meat pie, he will do a puff. When the boy on the talk, and after the boy say, hold on, bros, not be like they talk. Because we they meet all those food. I they meet puff, I they meet fish roll. So that I will carry go my house. When you talk, so when you get say they fool, I they meet up for there. He say he get one people fool for. I say where the get there? He say na France night the get there. Say the get name na nearly. Now I say send me username for Facebook. That boy something again. I come message nearly. I come have to call nearly. As I call nearly, na me and nearly call it. I say nearly fast. You there empty house. Nearly say. I think your best friend though. Now see, he says that girl nice for a relationship with Eddie. He don't leave Eddie for the girl. Now so what did that girl the fool he said? Almost I can't there. I can't have to call that girl back. I can't tell the person nearly not there. Tell that girl may calm down. Eddie will pick her call. He said, you know, they call her, they do New Year day now, so Eddie take my money, but you not come no because you know they shop my money. Maybe say I'm not they give you 10. Now get where give you 10, where give you 10. Now you want to see transfer the house of ask money. Me will not give you 10 and you all say, oh me no love you, I get boyfriend. Why they call boyfriend? I know they call boyfriend for your presence.
Hello, short time now, short time. Many people want call. Short time.
I get boyfriend, I want to pay the D again. Still not even what the kind of man what beside they like. And they think boy say yes, or say
okay, wait now. I want to ask hello.
I think I boy beside
hello.
Yes, now they with a
okay, good. So Tutu like Eddie. Maybe not share your picture again. Who can show Eddie picture? Who show Eddie picture to me?
I'm not interested. I'm not getting interested for a D. I'm not getting interested for a D. And you know what the guy boy be say what was they there for?
Wow. We are no worry. We don't hear. Hello.
If I beg.
Who did my network the disturber? What say I be a pity kebe one amulaga. Koyo.
So what?
Yeah.
Mais what you like watching, but you like me when I tell the view to listen, but wait to make me call. This girl will call us start. One girl go out with this girl, and the girl himself come about saying don't go out with this same guy. Now, this girl I just say if he did that guy's, he go tell the guy make he not talk, say his boyfriend dey call her. That kind of girl, what did that kind of girl be?
What it be?
You
know what make this?
Girl,
He love wait.